If you're anything like me, you love listening to your vinyl record collection. But if you're wandering around your house trying to get things done, it can be hard to hear your favorite records. That's because your turntable is often in one room in a dedicated listening space, and so in order to really hear it throughout your house, you have to turn up the volume, and it's just really not ideal. That is the problem that Yamaha looks to solve with the MusicCast Vinyl 500 turntable. It is the first multi-room turntable from Yamaha, and it allows you to stream your vinyl anywhere in your house that has a MusicCast speaker. It's pretty cool, and here's why. First and foremost, the Vinyl 500 is just a very nice mid-tier turntable. It plays at 33 and 45 RPM. It's got a built-in phono preamp that's selectable, so you can decide to use it or not to if you have a nicer phono preamp. And really, it works exactly as your normal turntable would. What differentiates this from every other turntable on the market is that it has some pretty awesome network connectivity features. So on the back, it's got an Ethernet port and it's got Wi-Fi built in, which means you basically just connect it straight to your network, and all of a sudden it can talk to all other MusicCast speakers on your network. Also, it can use Spotify Connect, AirPlay, and Bluetooth to stream audio from your phone via the MusicCast app to any speakers in your house. So if you have this connected to a more traditional hi-fi system, all of a sudden that system becomes a fully integrated multi-room speaker system just via this turntable. Once you get it set up with your home network, you can stream to any MusicCast speaker in your house, such as this MusicCast 20, which is great for like a bedroom or bathroom. You can use a MusicCast soundbar with your TV, and various other combinations of speakers to fill your entire house with sound. So why is multi-room vinyl so cool? It's really warm sounding. You get the same sort of beautiful analog vibe that you'd get just streaming it straight to your hi-fi system via cable. But what's cool is I can put on a record in my living room and listen to it in the kitchen without having to deal with really long cable runs or deal with, all the typical woes of wired audio listening. If you're the kind of person who wants to listen to your analog collection all the time, but you find yourself moving around your house, whether it's making dinner or cleaning up a little bit in your bedroom, this is the kind of system that can be really cool to bring you that warm analog sound and to play your favorite records, but throughout your home. And unless you're into wiring up your whole house for sound, it's a really, really great option, and actually when you compare it to wired systems, is remarkably affordable. So that makes the MusicCast Vinyl 500 a really cool product and something that we're excited to see other companies start to embrace in the coming year.